get into some of that, starting with
my mouth's round so I can suck up.
Before committing to foraging for wild plants, it would be less than reasonable to consider if you misidentify plants, you may well be committing murder on yourself. From the family that brought us the disgusting buttercup plants, we have here wood anemone, a good indicator of ancient woodland, scientifically known as Anemonoides Nemorosa, also graced with the name smellfox, due to its leaves having an undignified musky aroma. Native to Europe, smellfox has compound basal leaves, whatever the fuck that means, found from early spring to summer. This is just about an edible specimen. Being related to the buttercups, it's not surprising the apple doesn't fall far from the plant equivalent of the serial killer tree. We emphasize that it is barely edible because it is only done so once sacrificed to the flame. Eating the leaves raw contain a plethora of life-changing compounds that will completely f*** up your day with nausea, vomiting, and itching, if otherwise done so. Its roots have long since been used due to it containing several bioactive compounds with hepatoprotective, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant effects. Also used to treat the liver diseases, chronic hepatitis, and liver cirrhosis. Although this was done in the distant past when a band of pagans would burn anyone found doing this at the stake while screaming witch. Wood anemone is though one of the 50 fundamental herbs used in Chinese medicine, said to be a sedative and have cardiovascular benefits. The plant has been used in the treatment of the hepatitis B virus infection in China and Korea. It is also effective against autoimmune and inflammatory diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and multiple sclerosis. Some believe in traditional medicine, although this is done in a lab and not in the cauldron of witches and wizards, Harry. It can induce menstruation if eaten in large amounts. Please do not do this, as it contains phytonaminon, which, when consumed, causes blistering of the mouth, irritation of the stomach and skin, dizziness, spasms, acute hepatitis, jaundice, throat inflammation, which can cause asphyxiation, salvations, cracked and excoriated tongue, smarting teeth, tenderness, bleeding of the cornea, syncope, seizures, paralysis, and bloody diarrhea. Phytonamium is known to be a central nervous system depressant and to induce abortions.
Suck up.